another brush grubber. I have two different types. That's the guy we plan to take out today. And more or less it's dead. Today I have a couple of different items here. I have the brush grubber, another brush grubber. I have two different types. So let's go ahead and get them cut open and see which one we want to use. We are going to be taking this stump out. Let me show you the stump we're referring to right now. This one right there. That's the guy we plan to take out today. And more or less it's dead, but I just wanted to see what it's like taking it out. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this one. So let's open this up. What is this? This thing, this is heavy. Let's get our tools put back before we pull that chain out. Oh, that's pretty gnarly. So that basically wraps around the brush, that wraps around whatever it is. Next thing I need to get is my trailer hitch. Open up my trailer hitch here. Brand new one as well. I thought it was already open, but I guess not. Gonna have to crawl under the truck and install this. I'll take you with me, show you what that looks like as we get ready to do it. Like Christmas! Oh, shenanigans. You know what I don't have? I need to get a pin. You need a pin to go in here to lock it in the truck. So let me see if I can get one and come right back. All right, this is the pin I was missing. Got it. What we're gonna do, you know what to do. We're gonna put that in and get it installed. So without further ado, let's roll. There, I'm gonna throw this on the ground. And that is heavy. We're gonna try this next time. Are you gonna come down here? Let's go check it out. I am looking for the screwdriver, the flathead. Open that up and slide under the truck. We'll wrap that around there and see what we can do. We have this side and this side. That goes inside there. Oh yeah, then we can hook that up. We'd have to be pretty close. So let's see what we can do there. I want to turn this so it's this way. Now, if you don't get it on the other way, it won't lock. Oh, that's good. You have to rotate that. That's all right there. Then we can take this, put it on the ball, and roll forward. Overall, I would rate my experience a 10 out of 10. I think the product was pretty straightforward. It was easy to use. One of the challenges I did have though, if I was to kind of demerit, was actually getting, and this is an operator error, this is on me, but it was actually getting these kind of tack points to go on the actual tree trunk itself. I had it this way, which it still worked, but ideally you would want it this way, so these grip into that base and that stump, and it really pulls it out. Overall, the stump, you see it had some it had some rotting, it had bugs in it, I don't know what it was. That's why I wanted to pull it out. And the truck itself, the Rivian, it came out like butter, but of course, the tree stump had damage, so you can't argue that, hey, any truck could have pulled it out. My car could have pulled it out. But the point is, that was my first time using the Rivian truck with this device and pulling out a stump, and I will definitely be doing more of these because I have a lot of different stumps to be pulling out of the ground. If you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe it, and refer a friend. Why not? Thank you very much. Take care.